You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this animal, the scientific name of what is usually commonly referred to as the platypus, or platypus as the Americans say it. Ornithorhynchus is how it's pronounced. Alright, sorry, I'll say it better, I'll pronounce it better. Ornithorhynchus, Ornithorhynchus. Ornithorhynchus, yes, you can stress a little bit on that ren syllable. Easy once you know how to pronounce in English pronunciation, Ornithorhynchus, and now you know. And it's actually Ornithorhynchus anatinus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.